everybody, welcome back to the show. You're here with me, Ben, and today, you may recall I made these two videos. So when I heard that Urbanista was bringing out a improved version of those headphones, I hit them up and they sent me a free pair. So technically, that means that this is our first sponsored video! Let's go! Big thanks to Urbanista again. For sending me this. They really didn't have to, but thank you so much. I love your products, so if you do see this, thank you. This will be an unboxing video, as I'm sure the title already says, and I will be making a full review in maybe a week or two when I've had time to decide my opinions on it and see if the changes they've made and all that good jazz. So I hope you enjoyed the video and let's hop right heckin' into it. Gotta shimmy it out. So there it is, the heckin' charging case and the two headphones themselves. Let's get these boys out. So supposedly this case is supposed to charge the headphones 5 times and it's supposed to be a bit chunkier, and you can see they have these lights here in comparison to I have my original Urbanista Stockholms here. It's much smaller case, no lights or anything to indicate the charges, and it's supposed to, the case is supposed to have 5 recharges for the headphones. This one doesn't want to come out. The headphones look slightly different too. They're supposed to have improved sound, improved microphone, have 20 plus hours of playtime when they're in the case, have been charging in the case, whereas the other ones, the original Urbanista Stockholm, only lasted 14 hours. And these are splash resistant as well. I'm not sure if the originals were, so you can run with these in the rain and stuff, and have a ton of updated features in comparison to the original ones. They're also, these go for around €80 at the minute. £69, so depending on the day, I suppose. So they're the original, or I mean they're the new Urbanista Stockholms, and I'll do side by side with the original ones. They look very nice, and I think the headphones themselves have been redesigned as well. They look very nice, I have to say, and the symbol on the top is a lot clearer than on the original ones as well, so that's good. And the case, this second case feels a lot sturdier than the original one. The original one does feel quite nice. And I can't help but notice that the Urbanista Stockholm Plus are chargeable by USB Type-C rather than OG Android. You know the one I'm talking about. I'll have it up on the screen in a minute. So I have to say, the Urbanista Stockholm Plus are looking very nice. Very, very heckin' nice. I'll have to see over the coming days whether they live up to playtime and stuff, and the sound quality on these is supposed to be much better. So this is TheProBenja from the future. Sorry to interrupt the rest of the video, but I just wanted to say I just tried out the Urbanista Stockholm Pluses and the sound quality is immeasurably better. The redesign on these, the shape wise, is incredible for the sound. It's like you have proper headphones on. The bass is so much better on these, and on the other ones you get this kind of grainy effect on the sound sometimes, and this you don't experience that with this. I'll just show you the shapes. This is the original one over here, and this is the new one. Now they do look similar, but you might be able to just see that this one has kind of a more teardrop shape, where this is just the original is rounder, and this one's a teardrop shape. So I think this teardrop shape just allows it to fit more snugly in your ear than the original one over here, and it just improves the sound immensely. And also in the top of these headphones, there's these 3 dashes here to allow more sound out, which really improves the quality, as well as the original 3 dashes there, whereas on the original you just have those 3 dashes, there's nothing on the top at all. So the quality in the new one is so much better than the original, and I tip my hat to Urbanista because the sound quality is amazing. Anyway, enough of an interruption to the video. And back to past ProBenja. So that'll be interesting to see. I'll just get rid of my original ones. So what else do we have in this case? I assume this must be the charging cable. Yeah, it's the charging cable. And then our good old instruction manual. Yeah, so I'm just after reading here. I'll probably put an image up on the screen at the time, but these lights here indicate various different levels of charge. I've probably said this already, but they also indicate various different levels of the case's charge as well, while it's being charged, rather than on the original one where you'd have the red flashing light on the side. So that's definitely new, and I think it's a good improvement as well. So overall, I'm really happy with the improvements that they seem to have made to these headphones in comparison to the original Urbanista Stockholms. So I look forward to trying them out over the next few weeks, seeing the differences between them and the original ones, testing the battery and all that good jazz. And I look forward to making the full comprehensive review for you guys in the coming weeks. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new, make sure to smash that subscribe. And just before I go, thank you again, Urbanista, for sending me these headphones. It means a lot, and I really love your products. So see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.